I could ask my mother about anything. Well, how does sex happen? How do kids come? Like, these were not big questions to hesitate. Car stops and there were like some 6 guys. So I just physically moved away a little bit. And then somebody called me some name, like some cat call started. I decided, okay, I'm just going to stand in the middle of the road and take a lift. And I sat in the front seat. I took my hand and, he unzipped his pants and I guess wanted me to do whatever. Why do women, other than young, conventionally stereotypical looking women, the rest of us can't have any desire? Because we are not flesh and blood. I was so flat-chested that I never needed one for a long time. Like, I think breasts are like some unknown land or something. It's like some magical world, but it's not expressed with that sense of wonder and magic. Hi, I'm Tilottama Shom and you're watching me on Hotterfly.
ये देखिए तिलोत्तमा को ले आए हम लोग मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे। कैसी हो आप?
बहुत बढ़िया, आप कैसे हो?
हम ये मैनिफेस्ट करके बैठे थे कि आपके साथ बैठ के बात कर पाए शो पे। आई डोंट नो कितनी महिलाओं ने हमारी स्क्रीन्स पे उन प्रकार के रोल्स किए हैं जहां पर उनकी आवाज को पूरी तरीके से रखा गया है जैसे आपने किया है। वाज देयर अ कॉन्शियस चॉइस व्हेन जब आप उठा रही थी कोई भी रोल?
You have to make the best of what comes to you. And then once I get a part, then my attitude towards playing that woman is that if she's in a court of law, I must be able to defend her actions. Why did she do what she did? I must be able to be clear about that.
मेरे को रोकना पड़ा सीए टॉपर देखना क्योंकि मेरे को अन्याय लगा मेरी वाइफ के साथ नहीं देखना उसको। बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सेक्स एजुकेशन हमारे देश में इतनी अच्छे से इम्पार्ट की गई है। हमने दूसरे सोर्सेज से ही सीखा ना सब कुछ।
राइट।
आप कहाँ से सीख रही थी, समझ रही थी?
मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत ही नॉन जजमेंटल है, तो ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं था जो हम उनसे पूछ नहीं सकते हैं। आई कुड आस्क माई मदर अबाउट एनीथिंग। हाउ डज सेक्स हैपन? हाउ डू किड्स कम? Like, these were not big questions to hesitate.
You actually went to your mother and you asked her all
Yes,
of
of
this?
course.
And what
Who
was-
else will I ask?
Correct.
Without feeling any fear of ridicule.
फीमेल बॉडीज को हम नहीं समझते उतने ही उनके कपड़े को और उनके पहनावे को नहीं समझते। तो आपकी पहली बार ब्रा शॉपिंग, इंट्रोडक्शन टू अ ब्रा एंड जनरली एवोल्यूशन विद इट क्या रहा है?
वॉशिंग मशीन के पहले भी जब घर में कपड़े धुलते थे, वी हैड टू टेक टर्न्स टू पुट द क्लोथ्स। तो ब्रा तो देखा ही है।
हाँ, तो पता था क्या
पता
है?
है क्या है?
हाँ.
And but I was so flat-chested that I never needed one for a long time. So I think when I needed one, I must have worn one of my mother's only.
Yeah.
So it was not such a big thing because I guess I was flat-chested. I didn't go through what a lot of my friends went through in school who were not. Like, I think breasts are like some unknown land or something, I think when you're young,
Yeah.
it's like some magical world, but it's not expressed with that sense of wonder and magic often.
Yeah.
It's made fun of. When you can't appreciate something because you don't have the language to appreciate it actually. I don't think it was ill-intention, but when you don't have the language to appreciate or how to describe your appreciation or how to describe it in a way that makes someone feel comfortable, you end up saying things that are vicious.
Yeah.
And often desire turns into violence like this. I used to feel very bad for my friends in school who had big breasts and were often listened to a lot of lewd remarks, and Dilli wale mummy phod dunga, and like really strange things, and many other which I really don't want to even repeat, but yeah, I guess I was spared that, thankfully.
क्या समझ होती है औरतों के पास के जनरली लोगों के पास जो वो समझ पाते हैं गेज किस तरीके से कोई अप्रोच कर रहा है आपको?
I don't know, maybe because we are so aware of the violence around us that when we see safety, we feel it immediately. Because women have to live. That's always at the back of our mind, right? If I wear this, will something, is this okay? Can I go there?
आज भी होता है आपके साथ, ऐसा सोचते हो?
I feel like Bombay has given me a freedom that, Delhi 17 years I lived with that, being on edge. But at the same time, you can't dissociate from the violence against women across. It's not something we can, we'll have to do a reset for centuries.
Yeah.
For us to have no such baggage.
Yeah. No, I want to know, was there an untoward incident you've had?
Oh, so many, but which woman hasn't? I remember in Delhi, we lived in Vasant Kunj, and Munir ka tak ek bus aati thi. But Munir ka se Vasant Kunj, in between that was the Aravali mountain. It was really dark. और Munir का और Vasant Kunj के बीच में एक ही बस थी, 66 नंबर की बस. और अगर वो बस नहीं मिली तो मतलब 1 घंटा वेट करो दूसरे बस के लिए. I'm waiting for a bus and nothing is coming. Getting really dark. It's winter time and then a car stops and there were like some 6 guys. They get down. सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा गाड़ी है तो बस स्टॉप में क्यों? But what Delhi does to you, you know, and I don't like this about myself. It's something I've had to work really hard to be so suspicious of people. First thing is, it's not one guy. I can't outnumber them, so I just physically moved away a little bit.
It's so subconscious and natural that your body
like
does
my body just naturally did it. Exactly. And then somebody called me some name, like some cat call started. I was like, okay. Somebody threw a small stone, then moved away a little bit more. And then I was like, okay, you know what? I have to go from here. Now, either I run, but they can outrun me. They'll outnumber me.
The simulation चल रही दिमाग में.
You're calculating now, which way should I run? I decided, okay, I'm just going to stand in the middle of the road and take a lift. So I stood in the middle of the road, stuck my finger out, and there was this few cars that came, didn't stop. And one guy, and I saw from far, उसमें वो medical का sign था. So, you know, again, preconceived notion, doctor है, अच्छा ही होगा. And I got into that car, so I sat in the front seat, and he unzipped his. We just moved a little bit. It took my hand, and he unzipped his pants, and I guess wanted me to do whatever. But
This was supposed to be the safe space.
this was supposed to be the safe space. The moment he forces my hand, it was like a instinct.
Muscle reflex.
Like hit, like hit out. And I don't know what I did, but he had to stop his car because it was something happened. He swerved, whatever, and he asked me to,
Leave.
Get out or whatever. I left, and then I didn't want to go home because I didn't want my parents to worry. And so I went to a friend's home, a girlfriend's home. But it was at that time a choice between one man and 6.
Fuck man. But क्या अनलर्न किया? कुछ ऐसे है दिमाग पे कि आपने खुद को नोटिस किया करते हुए and you're like, oh my god, did I just play patriarchy out loud?
The one thing that I became very conscious of is how women sit. Men can sometimes sit so freely. And so I remember after filming, there were many moments where I would be like, oh, I want to sit like this, but I'm going to not sit like that. Just for my body to experience what it is to sit free.
Like the man spread?
Yeah, like just being able to sit with your legs apart and not fear. Very small thing. And I remember feeling sitting in अपने घर पे अब मेरे सोफा में बैठ के एक पैर एक आर्म पे और एक पैर दूसरा, like एक पैर नीचे और एक पैर सोफा के ऐसे आर्म पे. And just sitting and just the body just relaxed into this. And I was like, my goodness, I don't allow myself this.
The man spread Maximus.
Yeah. Just the ventilation, it's great.
It's so true. Item numbers आपको लगता है significant है और क्यों बंद हो जाने चाहिए जनरली हमारे सिनेमा में?
I see that make me feel very uncomfortable, and especially when I see young kids imitate those steps. When a young child imitates or mimics, you just feel like, oh, there. The childhood is gone. Lyrics. I think it's just sometimes just the way the camera looks at the body, rather than looking with the woman, they're looking at the woman. What is the item number if it's a dance?
हाँ तो डांस की तरह दर्शाओ ना.
डांस है और and you want to show desire.
डिजायर के बारे में भी महिलाओं की बात नहीं होती है ना कि आप लोगों को भी तो पसंद आ रहा है ना. श्वेता और आपके कैरेक्टर दोनों एक सीन है थिएटर में, आप लोग दोनों एक सीन को एडमायर कर रहे हो और आप दोनों की भी डिजायर मर्दों की डिजायर के साथ इक्वलाइज की गई है. उस आइटम नंबर को बहुत केयरफुली ट्रीट करने की कोशिश की गई है कि भाई लड़की को भी मजा आ रहा है. देयर मे बी एंटाइसिंग मोमेंट्स दैट शी वांट्स और शी डिराइव्स आउट ऑफ दोस. तो डिजायर की बात कैसे हो सकती है, कैसे बेहतर की जा सकती है, और वो जब पोर्ट्रे कर रही थी तो कितना मजा आ रहा था आपको?
एक्चुअली पोर्ट्रे तो दूर की बात है, जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा मैंने आई वाज ब्लोन बिकॉज इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम कमिंग सिंस आई रेड समथिंग वेयर अ वुमन्स डिजायर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड not with such sensitivity, and the woman has so much agency, and all of us, not just that one character is fully fleshed out. If you see like the character I play, besides that you have Ashok Lata by Naina, Shobha played by Shweta, and Mando Bua who's 70 played by Yamini. Even her desire is addressed without any kind of chewy mooey kind of nonsense. The reason things become a taboo is because we are trying to call a spade something else. Why do women, other than young, conventionally stereotypical looking women, the rest of us can't have any desire? Because we are not flesh and blood.
मतलब लड़का लोग ये बोलते हैं बेसिक डिजायर को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो आपको सही लगता है, महिलाएं कर रही हैं तो आपको अश्लील लग रहा है. वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा
आदमी करेगा तो हीरो है.
आदमी करेगा तो हीरो है.
There's so much vulnerability, no? with desire. Ki, have I made you feel happy? Are you
Yeah.
satisfied? What if I didn't do it properly? Like there's so much you can actually. There's so much insecurity, or confidence, or joy,
Body image issues, there's so
body
much.
image, or the joy, also
Of
or
giving,
discovery.
yeah.
So I think it's the way you talk about it, the way you grew up listening to it. And if you didn't have the good fortune of having, parents who were supportive
Or spoke like that.
then create your own family of people.
You know what's happened in our country? We have a report which is basically, have you heard about it? The recent Tripura case, जहाँ पे 828 students were diagnosed with HIV positive. I was just like, यार क्या sex education इसे change करती है?
Okay, so I'll tell you, after I did my master's in drama therapy, I was hired to work at Rikers Island, which is a prison in New York.
yes.
And the reason I was hired was because there was a rise of HIV
In the prison.
in the prison. You are hiring me so that I can
Theatre.
use theatre to do therapy. But a mandate was कि last 5 minutes में आपको sex education के basic share करने हैं. जैसे कि sexually transmitted diseases कैसे होती हैं? What are the symptoms of STDs? So that you can diagnose. We know that, literacy is not just bookish knowledge.
Yeah.
Because we as a culture, unlike America, there's no PDA. There's no public demonstration of affection.
It's
so
actually
forget sex.
reprimanded for.
It's reprimanded, right? And even affection is not publicly demonstrated.
नहीं हम hug नहीं करते हैं ना हमारे देश में माँ बाप के साथ भी ज़्यादा hugging वाला scene
It's
नहीं है.
rare, right? And so in that situation, to talk about sex is, I can understand why it is such a mountain
topic.
and such a taboo. So I feel the chalk and talk method is not the best way, because वो आप पढ़ाने लग गए तो लोग उनके कान लाल हो जाएंगे,
वो हंसते हैं ना, हम हंसते हैं.
और awkwardness इतना है.
फिर सीखे कहाँ से?
I just hope that parents can have this conversation. I think parents give birth to children. I think,
I mean, that's the process. of it.
it's a process, right? So, since you did it, you kind of got to explain it now, And I think if they find, even if the language is clunky, because it's difficult to find the words, if parents can be very clinical about it and explain also their experience, was it difficult for them? Were they afraid? I think the more you humanize
the personalization could help, no?
It'll help.
Generally, we were talking about foreplay. How interesting or intricate is it to communicate with your partner what you want, and how do you do it?
Say it. And I think also a sensitive partner also picks up on things you like.
Yeah.
And so sometimes then you don't even have to verbalize it. But if your partner doesn't get it, please don't fear. Just say what you want. Because sometimes you just need what you want.
हाँ मांगना भी होता है ना आपको.
Yeah, really. We think everything has to just happen organically. नहीं होता कभी organically,
yeah.
It's as why foreplay, why just not in the context of sex, in any context, right? We feel like, it's just better if it happens organically, but hey, if it's not happening, I can just ask for it, right?
Correct. What do you think should men stop telling women?
I think it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. I think that, in fact, is slightly more important. The tone. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है उससे. I think intentionality and how you say it is
Yeah, no, I know what you mean.
more important.
How can men be better allies?
I think just creating space here. We know it's unequal in our workspace, representation, not being artificial about being progressive. If you're confused, just ask, like a woman would ask.
Correct.
Is this okay? Yeah.
What is feminism for you?
I think it's misunderstood. I think it's got a bad rep. It's not just about, bra-burning women. I think it's just basic dignity. And I think for me, really, Kissa made that very clear, that there is no notion of a man and there is no notion of a woman.
Yeah.
It helped me wipe that out, this idea that we hold on to. This is what a man is and this is what a woman is. When that gets shattered, and when you firstly acknowledge that it has been unequal for so long, and that we're not trying to be same, we're just we're working towards an equitable situation. So it would be nice if you made space.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Nilotma,
you. Thank
for
you.
coming on the
Thank
show.
you
The
so
Male
much for
Feminist.
having me.
आप लोगों को पता है क्या करना है ना, वो नीचे कमेंट्स में बताना क्या क्या अच्छा लगा नहीं अच्छा लगा. सब्सक्राइब कर लो हॉट रिप्लाई को नहीं किया अभी तक. एंड यस, बाय.